This time, alive. Alive? Okay. You're alive. Today I am playing Teardown. Teardown is one of the best physics games out there to this day. So if you like these and want to see more of these in the comments, so if you like these and want to see more of these, let me know in the comments. Other than that, enjoy the video. There's fucking, okay. I felt like 6 stories. Dude, what is, okay. Alright. Where is the, I should have, oh dude, I'm so stupid. Where's wheelchair? Oh yeah, oh, ow, ow, ow. Oh, that is really loud. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, what's going on? What the? Oh, dude, I don't think I should have it this up. Dude, what is going on? I just spawned him in and he's like, and it's already going everywhere. I hear it, but I don't know where it is. I think, dude, it fell down like 13 stories. Where'd it go? Dude, where'd it go? Alright, this time, we'll spawn him at the top. Oh, fuck, that's, okay. Burnt. Ow! Yo, oh. I'm gonna make an entrance. Oh. Where? Whoa, that just leads to the, okay, out of bounds, I guess. Dude, I cannot steer this thing. Get it. Ow. Dude, the thing is, it's so loud. It is so loud. It's just no skeleton. You can just be in a wheelchair? Wait, bro. Oh, wait, fuck. I have to do AI. Oh my god. I hate this noise. Oh. I don't know where it went. Oh. I hear. Oh, dude, there it is. Oh, no way. It's out of fucking bounds, dude. Okay, yo, okay, we need to be a little more careful. Can we actually use these? I want to try to use it. Oh, yo, you could actually use it. Oh, oh, dude, what did it slip on? Dude, where am I? Yo, this is, oh, fuck. Okay. No, okay. Dude, I don't know where I am. There we go. Okay. Alright. How about this time? We try it again. Oh. Oh, shit! Oh. 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 Dude, what is going on? Oh. I am not even joking, but that actually just broke the sound of the game. I'm not even joking. Oh shit, he's still going. Okay, I don't know where he is, but he sounds like he's up. Yeah, I don't know where he is. Alright. What the hell? Fucking open! I am not walking up all the way. I'm just gonna fly. Dude, we are above clouds right now. Okay. Alright, we're gonna spawn. Right here. Oh, dude, we just spawned in. Oh, where's it going? Oh, shit! Dude, it's flying. Oh, no, now it's just like falling. Oh, shit! You know what? I'm just gonna spawn a new one. Where y'all go? They do not know. Oh, he got up. That's cool. Where you going? Oh, okay. He ran him over. Oh my god. Oh, dude, he just knocked the whole tree over. You know what? Oh my god. Back up. Dude, they just keep getting stuck on here. It's funny as hell. Okay. Okay. What do I have? What is this? Dude, no. Okay. It's an axe, but no, it's not. Okay, this is what I want to do. We're going to spawn in a wheelchair. This is not a good idea. Oh! Let's do that again. Oh god. Okay, you know what? It fell through the fucking floor. This time, alive. Alive? Okay. You're alive.
Vital signs critical.
What was that? Yo, hold on.
Warning, extreme heat damage detected.
Dude, I just love how you just like have to explain everything. Oh, dude, he is on fire. Yo, put him out. Put him out. Oh, y'all are alive. What's good? Why y'all just bend over like that? Uh-oh, I'm starting a fucking fire. I can't tell if you could like hear the volume, like if you can tell like how loud it is, but on my side it, oh my god. Oh shit. You're still alive. What's good? Oh. Okay, we gotta, alright, let's make this cockpit. Oh, it's good. Oh, I'm alive. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna control this plane. Oh god, this is not good. Oh god, bro, you could hear it falling apart. Oh, okay. Now my axe is an eraser or a pencil? Okay. What the hell is that noise? Okay, I think this is what the problem was. It's bombs. We don't want that. Oh. Okay. Alright. Oh. Dude, I can't like shoot y'all because like again, y'all, these are bombs we're dealing with. Let's get these bombs out of here. Oh. Okay. You could just drop them and like throw them, but like that's how you throw them. I downloaded a brick mod. It's funny as fuck. Dude, it can't detonate a bomb, but it could break a whole seat. Barely. I guess it can't. Dude, I forget, like, a lot of things are bombs here. See, that looks like a bottle of tequila, but it's not. Okay. This one I want to do. No, I'm not gonna do that. Y'all ready? Oh my god! I'm on that gig. Okay, I'm in a new map. I don't know where I am. I mean, it's set. Okay, we're in the back rooms, but I don't know how to access it. Oh, there's fucking cameras. Fucking bust that shit through the fucking door. My egg! What is this? Okay, this is the back rooms. Oh, there's people. Yo. Oh. You too? Oh.
It has to wait. This takes precedence.
Give me the fucking briefcase, bro. Oh, oh shit. Dude, he is fucking in half. Okay. Oh, there's more. Yo, alright, give me your briefcase. No. Give me your fucking... Stop. Yo, stop moving. Yo, bro, I'm not playing, bro. Fuck you. Give me your briefcase next time, bitch. I saw this over here, and I want to check it out. Oh fuck, that was my only way up. Okay, not really. I could fucking fly up, but. Okay. Alright. What the fuck is a car doing here? What the fuck? Oh fuck. Yo, why is this actually kind of scary, bro? What the hell? Okay, I just fucking busted through that shit. Nope, 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 nope. Yo, I am fucking terrified. I am fucking terrified because I've played this through before without any headphones. I know it's on the other side. Oh fuck, I just broke it. I know it's on the other side. I'm terrified though. I am fucking terrified. You know what? No. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fucking spawn in this wheelchair. Ow, it's so fucking loud. Oh shit. Okay. Dude, oh you fucking. I can't deal with this fucking game, bro. Alright, I'm hoping to like. Alright, I'm gonna go into the fucking skeleton or wheelchair skeleton like car. Look, it's right fucking there. Oh shit, this is actually more funny.